guess I can start my motovlogging here. And this is going to be an uphill motovlogging for my little XRM 110cc bike. So I'm riding with these boys from CIT, and of course this is kind of a special motovlogging for me because I got to meet ZACME and UBEC RIDA, one of the famous motovloggers here in Cebu City, and I get to, you know, joyride with these guys. So we just ride safely and we enjoy riding. So these guys are using very nice motorcycles, like Honda Click 150. That's UBEC RIDA's bike. ZACME's got his Sniper 150, and the guy on my back, ZACME's friend, is with his A-Rocks. So I guess he's kind of assisting me with this uphill ride because, you know, this bike is not good for uphill riding. It's just 110cc bike. So ZACME and UBEC RIDA's up ahead. The guy with the red shirt is UBEC RIDA, and ZACME, I forgot what he was wearing, but he's up ahead with his Sniper. So yeah, this is fun because this is what I, you know, love doing. This guy's Zach's friend. He's also got his Sniper, and it's just riding chill, just like the others. Most of them they're mostly on Snipers, except me and UBEC RIDA. So here's UBEC RIDA. So dude, parang J-map lang. Oh, what's up, Doge? Chilling around on the side of the road. You'll get dog mo. ZACME. So yeah, we're heading to shops right now. So I'll just follow UBEC RIDA, because he's got his quick 150, and I'm not gonna dare to race with that machine. And we're right close to ZACME, that bike with the right turn blinker on. Ako po, kalimutan ko mag-gas. JON-SAB.
JON-SAB?
Yep.
Yeah. JON-SAB, YouTube channel.
Pa-shoutout naman, ZACME. Siya nga pala, nandun pala si UBEC RIDA sa likod. Yan. At yung click 150 niya. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. Masubukan nga yan. Sigurado akong napakalakas umatak ng makina yan. Nalubat ka.
Una lang mo yung mapak ako.
Okay, okay. Timingan day. So here's ZACME and the CIT boys. Kalimutan yung pagasolina. Buti nila, mahina ang takbo ni ZACME at saka yung mga kaibigan niya, kasi di ito buhilo ng mabuti kasi mahina yung dala nating bike. Baka maiuwan siguro ako sa kapag matarik na yung yung daan na papuntahan namin. Unleaded ya, full tank. Unleaded full tank. Oh, kahit sana. Ah, 105 no? 106. Sakto ra? Ay na lang. Thank you. Ah, there we go. That's a quick full tank.